Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw white from Rainbow Friends. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with white from Rainbow Friends, let's begin by drawing the top. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little sad face shape for the top of the body. Next, let's bring both sides down just a little bit. Next, we want to curve this out and then bring it in. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to curve this out and then bring it in to connect right to here. Next, starting here, let's make the leg. So I'm going to make one leg kind of behind and then one leg a little bit farther in front. So I'm going to start here at this leg, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to curve around and then come up. Next, we're going to make this line go down. We're going to curve it and bring it up here. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that comes down, and then we'll make a line that comes down here. Next, let's make a little curved line right to here. Then start here, I'm going to go down and then up. Next, I'm going to bring this leg down, and then we'll bring this line down here. And just finish it off with a small little curve at the bottom, kind of like a smiley face shape. Now, starting up here, let's work on the arms. So I'm going to begin right here first, and I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come down. And then I'm just going to curve it to here. I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come down. And then I'll just curve it into here. This one I curved up and down, this one I curved down and up. Next, I'll bring a line out to here, and I'll do the same thing here, just bring a little line out. Now, we're going to make the fingers and the hands. So let's start with the finger right here. I'm going to start by making a line that's going to curve up. It's going to come down here, and then I'm going to bring it across. I'll do another one here. I'm just going to curve up and down, and then bring it across. And then one right here, curve down, bring it over, and I'll bring it up. I'll do that same thing over here. I'm going to curve up and down, and then bring it across. We'll just curve up and down, we'll come over and back up. And then I'll do another one, curve up and down, bring it over, and then up. Now I want to make the hands. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to go down. I'm going to curve over and up to here. And then I'm going to bring this line up. Same thing here, I'm going to go down, curve it around, and then bring it up. And then I'm going to bring this up to here. Now, inside of each hand, I'm going to put a circle for the eye. So I'm going to begin by making a circle in this one. Then I'll do a circle inside this one too. I'm going to put a smaller circle inside of here, and then I'm just going to color this in. And I'll do the same thing over here, just a smaller circle, and then we'll just color this in. And there you go, there is your drawing of white from Rainbow Friends. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.